Hey everyone, Bob here from Pompr.com. In our last video, we looked at the basic layout of Pompr v2.1. In this video, I want to show you how easy it is to edit and customize a prompt. You don't need to rewrite long sentences just to change a small detail. With Pompr, editing takes just a couple of clicks. Let's say you want to change where your scene takes place. You don't have to retype the whole thing. Just click a different blue scene button and your location updates instantly. The same goes for characters as well. If you want to change a character, simply click a different orange character button, and the new character appears in the prompt window instantly. When you want to add a second person to your scene, just click the Actor 2 button at the top of the character panel. Then select the character you want to add. If you look at the prompt window, it will add that second actor to the ensemble portion of the prompt. Click on any character while the Actor 2 button is selected to change your second actor. It's that easy. In the Pompr v2 action matrix, you can have your characters pose and move any way you want. You're going to be using the first two items in the action matrix window, the category section and the action section. In the category section, select any of these highlighted buttons to pose your character. Each character you choose displays a specific set of actions in the highlighted action section. This is how you refine the action of the character. Here's how it works. If you click on Pose, the actions below are low action poses. The Move button shows actions with movement, walking, jogging, jumping. If you go to Emote, the actions are more emotional. Click on Busy and the verbs reflect that category. When we get to social, the actions become more group-oriented rather than individual moves. Power shows a definite capacity to protect or defend. Custom is blank because we don't have an expansion reel loaded right now. We'll be discussing loading expansion reels in an upcoming video soon. The next item is Mood. This is where you get to determine your character's behavior. You can make them calm or happy, focused, scared, angry, or confidently powerful. Since mood is the state of the character's behavior, the intensity slider allows you to dial up or down the amount of behavior you want your character to display. So you can make your character amused or jubilant, uneasy or horrified, confident or majestic. It's your call. But what if you want an action that you can't find? No problem. Just click the plus custom button. This opens a text box where you can type whatever unique action you want. Now press enter so that Pompr applies your custom action into your prompt. It automatically applies your active mood and your intensity slider settings to your custom words. This gives you an infinite number of choices. When you have an ensemble of two actors in your prompt, you'll want to have them relate to each other. This is where the interaction menu can be helpful. Generally, depending on the actions you choose in the action matrix, selecting an item in the interaction menu will help the AI understand the relationships of the actors in your prompt. By default, it is set to with, but you can select any word on the list to shape a stronger relationship with the two actors. For example, if you have two actors arguing, you can select arguing in the interaction menu to emphasize the scenario. Now, what if you want to tweak one tiny detail, like changing a character's shirt color, or maybe their hair color, or their hairstyle? That's where the manual mode comes in. Click the auto mode button in the top right corner of the prompt window. It turns into a red manual mode button. The text in the prompt window turns white, meaning you can now type or edit anything you want directly in the prompt. You can also select a different scene or character while in manual mode. Just remember, if you want to keep your edited prompt safe, just click the Export Text button here to save a permanent copy of your prompt right to your computer that you can refer back to or share anytime you want. Before we wrap up, I am excited to share a major v2.1 update. Pompr now works beautifully on laptops and iPads, specifically the iPad Pro 11-inch 4th generation and the iPad Pro 13-inch with the M5 chip. If you're on a smaller screen, check out the layout settings at the top of the header. Workstation is the default setting, but if it feels too tight, select Casting. The interface will adapt to show just the scene and character panels, making it easier to build your cast. Click Directing, and the prompt window and action matrix take over in a full-screen creative experience. You can switch modes seamlessly to fit exactly how you want to work. Once your prompt looks exactly the way you want, just click the big blue copy button at the bottom of your window. Paste it into your favorite image generator, hit Generate, and admire your work. Go try it out now for free at Pompr.com. I'm Bob, and I'll see you in the director's chair.